In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle the outline window in Draw.io. Before we begin, let's quickly set the stage. The outline window in Draw.io is a handy mini view that gives you a bird's eye perspective of your entire diagram. It's especially useful when you're working on large or complex visuals because it lets you navigate quickly and see where you are without zooming in and out constantly. We're going to make sure you can turn that view on and off in an instant. First, open your diagram in the Draw.io panel in editing mode. If you're working inside a knowledge base or documentation platform, open the page that contains your diagram, then switch the diagram into edit mode so that the Draw.io editor is active. Once you see the canvas, shapes panel, and the standard toolbars, you're in the right place to use the shortcut. Now for the toggle itself. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus O on your keyboard. Pressing this key combination once enables the outline window. You should see a compact panel appear that shows a scaled down version of your diagram with a highlighted rectangle indicating the part of the canvas currently in view. This is your navigation hub. You can glance at it to understand the overall layout, and it helps you move around large diagrams more confidently. If you change your mind or want to reclaim screen space, press Ctrl plus Shift plus O again. The same shortcut disables the outline window. That's all there is to it. The same keys toggle it on and off. Because it's a toggle, you don't need to dig through menus or settings every time. Just use the shortcut whenever you need a quick overview or a cleaner workspace. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure the Draw.io editor has focus before you press the keys. If the shortcut doesn't seem to respond, click once on the canvas or on an empty area of the editor to ensure it's active, then try again. Also, be mindful of any other applications that might use the same key combination. Having the diagram window active helps the editor receive the shortcut correctly. To recap, open your diagram in the Draw.io editor in editing mode, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus O to show the outline window and press the same keys again to hide it. With this toggle at your fingertips, navigating big diagrams becomes faster and far less frustrating.